Hey there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Beachy Beach.
We're in the back of a traditional Rivercamps build.
Absolutely.
You'll notice that a lot of the homes in this community have a higher elevation so that they can gaze upon the gorgeous habitats here.
And almost sit in the trees with the birds.
Yes, it's 1,500 acres and there'll be no more than 450 home sites. So you are actually feeling like you're in a wildlife sanctuary.
So let's go take a look at what this community has to offer.
Excellent. Outdoor lovers love Rivercamps. As you'll notice, the home behind us offers plenty of outdoor living space, including gorgeous, spacious porches.
And just like that fire pit we were sitting in, it's a perfect example of that lifestyle that we're wanting to present. And since this community started in 2010, you've got that modern and updated interiors that we're all looking for.
Absolutely. It's a luxury community sitting amongst a beautiful woodland preserve.
That's right.
Let's go check out all the amenities this gorgeous community has to offer. So we're over here at the River House, which I think is kind of the heartbeat of this community.
I would agree thoroughly. You've got all your water activities that can be right here. In fact, we're standing at some pull-up docks that you can access the River House on your boat or your kayak or your paddleboard, just whatever floats your boat.
Yes.
In your water lifestyle. You can swim, you've got all of the activities and access right here.
Yeah, and if you don't feel like taking the YOLO board out, there's a gorgeous pool overlooking the water. You can relax at the pool with your friends or your family.
And what I like about that specific pool area is there's so much on the perimeter. You've got a ping pong table, you have access to tables in the shade even. I mean, you could make a day of it with your family or just if you're wanting to come out and chill.
Yes.
Yeah.
And I'm sure you noticed as well, they have a little kitchen there for the owners right outside the pool, grill, sinks. So if you wanted to bring food to cook out, you're here for the day. Like you said, you can make a day out of it.
And you don't have to fight the crowds. 4th of July, you're still on the water, but you've got the access right here at home.
If you are active, this community is perfect for you.
Absolutely. So we're standing here, we talked about the kayaks and canoes. You actually have got them right here for you in the development. You don't have to go get your own. So that's another side perk right there. But we wanted to talk about not just the water activities, but the fitness activities. So they've got a state-of-the-art fitness center.
Gorgeous.
Absolutely gorgeous. You go right up here, up the steps, and you're right here at the fitness center. You've got all the weight training. I noticed there were some balls, all the things that you're going to need to go ahead, and you can stay here. You don't have to go to the gym, you know?
And Heather, one of her favorite activities, she likes it almost as much as shiplap.
Almost, yep. It's pickleball. They painted a new pickleball court right here in the development. So again, you can get together with your neighbors and come out and have fitness in the sun and the outdoors. Exactly what you'd expect in a nature-loving, active community. It's fantastic.
Absolutely. And in addition, outside of the fitness center and those pickleball courts that you love is a beautiful commercial grade kitchen. So if you wanted to have bigger events that maybe aren't quite fit for the poolside, you have this gorgeous space overlooking the water with plenty of space.
Think of family and friends, 50th birthday parties, 50th wedding celebrations. You kind of have that access, again, right here and overlooking all this beautiful water.
And those of you that are boat lovers, included in the HOA fees over here at Rivercamps and Crooked Creek, there's 3 different boat storage areas, a wash-off station, and these are for you to use, no extra fees included. As an owner here, you also have an opportunity to gain membership at 2 beautiful golf clubs, including Wild Heron and Camp Creek.
Isn't that great? That's about the only thing that they don't offer right here on site is golfing. And so it's really great that you've got that camaraderie and you're able to just pick your course.
Absolutely. Rivercamps is not just a community, it's a lifestyle.
That's right.